Have you ever wondered how some people are just effortlessly attractive? Every time they step out of the house, they look amazing. Today, I'm going to show you how to do that, how to look so incredibly attractive without putting too much effort. I'm beginning from the inside, outside, and everything. I'm going to be doing the underwears, the external clothing, the shoes, and every accessory. Join me. If you're coming here for the first time, my name is Sela. Thank you so much for stopping by. And I love to look amazing, and I want you guys to look as good. And for the people who are coming again, thank you so much for returning. You're amazing, and I appreciate every effort you put into this. Thank you so much and welcome. So we're going to be starting from the underwears. Where as ladies, there are kind of different types of underwears available for us to wear. I'm going to say this once and for all. The push-up bra is not a con, is not a false marketing, it's not a false advertisement. Believe me, it's your bust, it's your bra, it's just holding what you already have. You're not like putting plastic inside there. So don't be afraid of wearing the push-up bras. They do amazing job. They make miracles happen. Love the push-up bras. They're gonna take you from 4 to 7 without doing any other things. Believe me. So if you're going to choose bras, if you're going to be wearing bras, go for the push-up bras. And for the panties, I would prefer the more sexier side of the panties, unless during those days of the month, of course, all of us have to go down there to the Mothers Union. But if you're going to be wearing the regular panties, I would rather you go for the G-strings and thongs. They're really sexy, believe me. I don't know what other people have made other people to think or believe, but G-strings are more sexier or attractive than the regular Mothers Union. When I say Mothers Union, you know what I mean. The panties we used to wear when we were 5 years old. Sorry about my my dress acting up. The panties we used to wear when we were 5 years old, you know them. The ones which look like the tidy whities, but they're for women. Those ones, please leave those ones for the red days, of course. Wear the hot pants, not the hot pants, but the G-strings and the thongs. They're really beautiful. They're really sexy. They're actually more attractive than the Mothers Union. So at least I've told you, it's your decision, but they're more attractive. Something red. Lady in red. That was not just a song. Believe me, red is a color that signifies attraction and romance. That's a color that makes you attractive without even trying. So wear something red, especially a red, beautiful dress. It's going to take you from basics to an amazingly attractive person. Walking down the street, you're going to be standing out from the crowd anywhere, any day. And if you can't wear red like me now, I'm wearing blue, of course. I love red, but you can't wear red every day. Of course, you can't wear the same color. Yeah. So if you're not wearing red at some point, make sure you wear a red lipstick or accessorize with something red. It's going to bring out amazing side of you. It's still you, but a more attractive version of you, you know, believe me. And if you're going for the lingerie, always have at least one red lingerie. It's going to make you so attractive. You're not going even to try hard, just wearing it. You come out so attractive. So have something red. Remember, we are told during our weddings to go for something blue. Yeah, something red. It's gonna make you look so much more attractive. You're beautiful, yeah, but you want to increase the attraction. And when it comes to the outerwear, if you want to look attractive as a woman, we're gonna go on the feminine side more. And I would prefer if you go for the dresses. The little black dress is anybody's kryptonite. It goes with any person. If you know your body type, I'll talk about that later. If your body type doesn't go with the bodycon dresses, get a dress that looks amazing with your body type. But the little black dress, they come in all shapes and sizes. Please have at least one. They're amazing anytime, anywhere. For the people who can wear bodycon, please, please, please. I'm one of those people. Everywhere, anytime, I would go for a bodycon. I'm actually wearing one right now. Bodycon dresses are amazing. They make you look so hot. Believe me. They make you look a little... Someone might be looking at you and thinking, oh my God, she's so attractive. But deep down, they might not even realize that it might be just that dress you're wearing, by the way. So if your body looks good in a bodycon, please buy those dresses. They are so good and they take you from basic person to a really attractive person. Believe me, that's a very, very, very good road to go. And also the belts. If you're someone who can wear bodycons, of course you can wear belts. Belts make a very, very, very big difference to your dress. Always accessorize your dresses with belts. If you can, if it's a dress that can go with a belt, try slim belts. If you have a slimmer body shape, or bodies that can go with the bodycon dresses, wear the belts. The belts make a good big difference for you. If you're someone who can't wear slimmer belts, if you're a little curvier, you can wear a thicker belt, like a little larger belt, but the belts are gonna take you from a dress from a 2 to a 9 without even putting any other thing. So go, love the belts, try the belts. Always wear the belts if you can wear them. They really, really make a big difference, and they can make you attractive even if you don't change any other thing. You're wearing the same dress you were wearing the other last week, but you put a belt on it, it looks so much more attractive, and generally it's gonna make you look a little or much more different and more attractive. The high heels, ladies and gentlemen, my girls, try high heels. You might not be the most perfect girl to walk in high heels. That's something you can learn. It's an art. It's not a rocket science. I can make a video in future on how to walk in heels, but high heels are the difference between hotness and another. Believe me, you can be wearing the same dress, two different women, but one is wearing the same dress with the high heels. The high heels will make a woman look so attractive, just like that. You can be standing up, but your legs all of a sudden miraculously start looking so attractive and hot, and your backside will be looking amazing, and your busts will be looking perfect. If you stand in high heels, you look like perfection. Believe me, it transforms your legs back and front just like that. And even your waist, there's a way, something the heels do. So learn how to walk in heels. The heels will transform you to a very beautiful, feminine, attractive woman. Wear something with the lace. It's always so feminine and sexy. Especially, personally, I love the black and red laces. If you are dark skin, red, white, and black laces are gonna make you look so amazing. Very, very sexy, very, very hot. For the white people, the white ladies, you can go for the green laces. Have you ever tried that? It's so, so beautiful on white skin. Sometimes I get so motivated for how green looks so beautiful on white people. To be honest, it looks so beautiful. If you're white, try green, white, nude. Of course, nude on white people is also so beautiful. Nude and black laces is gonna make you so sexy. But for the dark skinned sisters, you're gonna go for the red, white, and the red, white, and the black laces are always so amazing. But I think red also goes so beautiful with white people. Something red is always something beautiful on a woman. So don't be afraid to try. You might be surprised of what might come out. Really. So try something, any color. You never know. You can never know until you try it. So try something, but try something less. Trench coats. Trench coats are very, very, very attractive part of wardrobe. Believe me, you can be wearing something really basic attire, but you wear a trench coat on top of it. Especially now that the summer is gone and we are attracting the summer is gone and we are approaching autumn. You want to be warm, but you don't want to be wearing something boring and large and huge. Go for a trench coat, which is fitting to your body's frame very nicely. You're going to look so much more attractive, especially with good shoes. You'll never go wrong with that. Believe me, you're going to look so beautiful. So if you're going to keep warm, but still look attractive, try putting on a trench coat on top of you. And sometimes just put on trench coat and lingerie and try that for your guy. Woman, you're gonna be the most attractive woman of the evening for him that time. Believe me. The leather skirts and dresses. The leather jacket is one thing, but the leather skirts hit differently too. They are very beautiful. They are very feminine. They are just, I'm beginning to sound like I'm being, I'm being biased here, but I love leather also. But leather dresses or skirts, I think they look beautiful. Someone commented in one of my videos that my leather skirt was amazing. He said, especially the leather skirt. Leather skirts are really attractive, and dresses, they also make you look not just beautiful, but also sexy and hot. And that's what we want. If you want to stand out from the crowd, go for the leather stuff, the leather dresses and skirts. Of course, you can't wear them daily. So as an alternative to this, if it's hot, because especially the hot climate areas, places where you have tropical weather, it's always hot almost every time and humid. You can't always wear leather stuff at that point. Like, really, you can't wear leather dresses during the day, or even leather skirts during the day in these areas, or during summer in every area. Leather can be so impossible to wear because you'll be sweating your ass off. Sorry to say that. What you want to go to for instead of this is a wet look fabric. They look like leather. They are made to look like leather, but they are fabrics. They make you look so attractive and feminine and so hot. So if you want to look more attractive, instead of going for, especially a black one, instead of going for just a little black dress, you can make a twist to it and make it be either a leather dress, leather little black dress. Have you ever imagined that? A leather little black dress is so hot. Or you can go for a wet look fabric that looks like leather, but it's a cloth fabric. And in black, to me, it looks so beautiful and attractive. And for the accessories, I'm going to go with the pearl necklaces. I'm being biased, right? Yeah, I'm being a little biased, but I love the pearl necklaces. They have different looks. They have pearl necklaces which are fitted to the neck this way. Some are like a little like chokers. Some look a little longer, but pearl necklaces make you look attractive, ladylike, and so feminine. So I would go for that if I was going for something for my neck. The pearls make a big difference on the attraction. It makes you so outstanding and so beautiful. And also the sunglasses. You can be having a bad face day. You know those days. Sometimes the makeup is not even makeuping. The face is not facing. The eyes are not eyeing. Putting on a beautiful set of sunglasses. Also, make sure the sunglasses also favor your facial shape. There are different sunglasses for different facial shapes. So if you're going for a sunglass, go for a good pair of sunglasses. They're going to make a very big difference. If you wear sunglasses, even if you're just having a perfect face day, the sunglasses make a very big difference, especially if it's favorable to your face shape. Believe me, go with the good sunglasses and you'll never regret this.